Hello, I am demonstrating you a strategic LinkedIn content automation pipeline system I have developed. Let me run, trigger the automation system. It will uh, create LinkedIn article based on a predefined prompt, and we easily can change the prompt from a text file, and here you can change the configuration type of the post, image, portrait or landscape image, the type of image, standard or high quality you want to use, what model. Like here I have used GPT-4o mini model. Also you can set the tone of the whether it's professional or funny or punchy, etc. You can change the flavor of the article, and it will be automatically published to your LinkedIn account once you authorize your account. Yeah, the automation completed successfully. Now let's check the LinkedIn account. We reload the page, and let's see what happened. Yes, just now it has published a post with a image. It was about data-driven small economy topic. So it has created a very human-like and doesn't feel like AI generated, and it creates an image that reflects the concept of the LinkedIn article. Although I have limited the length of the article here, you can easily set the length small or large by configuring the value here.